We put about 350,000 tires a year on customers' vehicles, and every one of those is carrying somebody's family, their loved ones, themselves on the road with others around them, and it's critical that it's done properly so they can be safe. So we make sure all of our folks within their first 60 days become tire certified, and it's called BATS, Basic Automotive Tire Cert. The TIA training, it's pretty extensive. It's a computer-based program that takes 12 to 15 hours to go through the training and the questions and so forth. And then once someone's completed that, they actually then work and demonstrate the skills hands-on with a TIA instructor, which usually is 3 to 4 hours, showing and demonstrating that they have the skills and understand how to properly install tires and repair tires properly. We also do a tire expert forum, which is above and beyond typical manufacturers training, where they're training on it's important that our people understand the tires, the features, and the benefits, but this is above and beyond that. They understand the testing that goes behind making the tires. They understand the research and building them, the design of the tires.
That's the only thing keeping you in contact with the road. I mean, unfortunately, with having less traction, if you have no tread on your tires, you're more apt to hydroplane, not get the traction if you're going through the gravel or the ice or the sleet and the freezing rain or anything like that. If you have cord showing out of your tire, the tire's more apt to blow out. Your car's going to be out of alignment normally if you have cord showing on the outside or the inside shoulder. I mean, you're losing fuel economy. You're going to spend more at the pump throughout the year, and you're going to be buying tires more often. Maximizing the life out of the tire. Tires are only going to get more expensive, just like everything else in life, unfortunately. And the more often you maintain them, more rotations, more alignment checks, you get the better wear, better, smoother, quieter ride, and not have to replace them as much.